Hi friend, welcome in episode 10 Bank Nifty Trading Grow Like a Gardener. Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10 Excel time tested method, clear strategy, consistent result. We have going through a very good month so far. In this month we have earned around 44,075 in this month January, and we have a very good trade yesterday, that is on the Monday, where we have able to catch around 314 point, and that's around 7,850. I have also in this ebook I detail how you can use this Excel sheet Banknifty Trading Pro 2.10, where you just need to enter the data of the first 15-minute candle and one of the indicator. I will demonstrate you exactly what to do to find the trading plan for the day and what you need to do, where to place the buy order, where to place the sell order, what will be the target, what will be your exit. Everything this Excel sheet can do it for you automatically. Recently I actually one of my friend sent me a testimonial, I can say it testimonial, and he said that 350 points within 10 minutes. Yesterday we really have a very good quick movement, and he said 350 point with 10 minute traded using Banknifty 2.10. He also asked, shall I buy above 31062? No, we trade only once in a day. That means if you have sell trigger, then you have no questions to buy again when price reverse the price. So I will show you. But you know that when I want to tell you a story. When I actually started my career in this trading, I also used to find some so-called trainer, guru, and market expert showing this type of testimonial and showing this type of tracker to claim that their things are work, or their strategy worked well. But then when I started trading with their system, I found that it is not practical way of trading. What they teach is very subjective, and although I am not claiming that their system was not worked, but it was not good fit for me, because there is always a gray area, a area where my judgment and their judgment, the persons who teaches us, can vary. So what happened used to that times, I find that I used to trade with the strategy that was told and discussed in the class or course I have taken, and then when I practically use it and I make some losses on that, and then go back to my mentor and ask that, sir, these things is not working, and then they always claim that no, because you make this mistake, or because of you make that mistake, or your trade was not properly set because this alignment of this particular indicator was not right. There was lot of confusion, lot of ambiguity. So from that point of view, I know that what is the struggle, and then I decided that I will create something which actually very objective, and there should not be any questions of further interpretation. It should be very mathematical in nature, and that is the reason I actually created this. Instead of telling you this strategy, I created this Excel sheet where you have to enter the data. Now this Excel sheet will be always with you. I have no control in it. When you will enter the data, it is already coded, and it will give you the guidelines for the day, what to do. I do not have any control. And after the event happened, I have no say that no, there was no such thing, you did some wrong. No, there is no questions on that. That is the beauty. And because of that, lot of people I find in this market teaches something which are so vague, so unclear, um, what I can say, subjective, that it is practically impossible to trade. So if you like to trade, then you should go through this ebook, and this ebook is free, and to download you will find the link of this book in the description, and go through this book. I have given a lot of examples, and as I mentioned, that the beauty of trading this type of style is that entire power is in you, on the hand of you. It will be with you, and you will enter the data. If I claim that this month we have this much of profit, how you will believe me? The That is the reason I create this Excel sheet. So what you have to do, you have go back to the 4th January and enter the data and check whether there is a trade or not, and what was the trade. So what you have to do, you have to just go back to the chart and you have to enter the data in this Excel, and you will get the exact match of the trade. Now, no way there is a say that these things are not span out like this or that. No ambiguity, it is clear concept, and that is the reason I always say that Banknifty Trading Pro is a time-tested method, clear strategy, and consistent result. So now I will show you how the trade was span out in the last yesterday, that is the Monday, and what you had to do. See, as always, once you will enter the data over here, then you have to go back to the step 2, that is the check plan, and once you will find the plan over here, then as I mentioned here, condition 1, yes, and it's clearly mentioned that check condition 1 tab. So you will go back to the condition 1 tab, and there is also conditions 2 and conditions 3. See, like we follow the philosophy of the gardener. A gardener always approach treating his plant with a flexible plan. He know that not all the plant will behave in same manner. He need to flexible. He know that gardening is highly dependable on the weather conditions. Based on the weather condition, he need to adjust his plan. Similar way, based on the market conditions, we should be multiple plan ready. Flexibility is the key, and this Excel Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10 strategy is designed for giving you the flexibility. You are not rigid, you are flexible, and you are just trying to go with the latest movement of the market to capture a quick profit, and that's it. That is the motto of this Excel. Okay, so as I can you can see that once we enter the data, we have the trade. Now let's I will delete all this data here to show you from the scratch. As I delete all this data, everything has blank now, and you will not find any conditions in any of the tab. So now what I have to do, I have to open a 15-minute candle chart of Bank Nifty, and I have to open a EMA, that is 8 load exponential moving average. You just need to these two simple tools which is available free in the web. Now then, once the first candle, remember we need to trade at 9:30, only at 9:30. After you find that your first candle of the day has completed, then you have to enter the data over here, and your plan is ready. So every day at 9:30, your trading plan is ready. Set the trade, forget the trade. That is the beauty of long-term trading career. If you have to check multiple times, if you have to sit in front of the screen to find the trade, then I don't believe that it is possible for long term. If you have to trade 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years in future, do you believe that it is possible? If you have to daily basis sit in front of the screen, you have to decide on the spot under the stress conditions what to do when market is volatile. It is not possible. You need to have a step by step guide that is objective and that allow you to do same thing daily at a fixed time, repeated way, that will create a routine of a good trading practice, and that will enable you to become successful. Now I will enter the open, high, low, close data of the first candle. Once I will enter the first candle data, now we should have our trading guidelines of the day ready. So the idea is this, that we will enter the data and then we will find the trade. So let's begin with this, and I will enter the data of the first candle. The after this candle happen, this is the first candle of the day, you have to enter the data. So what was the open of the first candle? The open of the first candle was 31 469. Idea is that once I will enter the data over here, my plan should reflect here, and then according to we will travel to condition 1, conditions 2 or conditions 3 to check the trade for the day. Okay, now enter the data here. The open of the first candle was 31,469.95, and the high was 598.40, and the low was 31,443.30, and the close was 31,485.75, and the 8 EMA period, you will find the data here, that was 303.76. As I enter the data, that is the things you have to do every day at 9:30, and that much of work you have, not much more than. Once you enter the data, you have to go to the step 2, that is check the plan. And I probably done some wrong here. The high, actually I make mistake. So the high was 31,598.40. Okay. So let's check the data once again. 31,469.95 perfect. 31,598.40 perfect. Low was 31,443.30. Close is 31,485.75, and the EMA was 31,303.76. Yes. So then we have to go to this plan, check the plan, and we have seen that the condition 1 was satisfied, and it says yes. Once we find the condition 1, so we have to go accordingly. It is mentioned that check the conditions 1 tab. Now you have to go to the conditions 1 tab, and we find that our trade is ready for the day. What it says that place a buy order, at 31,602. Now this blue line will be your buy order. After this candle you will place the buy order at 31,602, and you will place a sell order at 31,440. You will place a sell order at 31,440. In next candle, as you can see, that market open slightly above and travel above, and then suddenly your sell order has been executed. Once the sell order has been executed, it is clearly mentioned your exit plan. Exit if buy order triggered. No, we do not have the buy order trigger, so this is not valid. But target if sell order trigger, it is clearly says target if sell order triggered is 31,126, and 31,126 is this line. And as you can see shortly, within few 10-15 minutes, our target was achieved. As my friend has said, thank you so much, and it's so satisfying when I see that others are actually able to do this, and others are get help from this system. Thank you so much for your wonderful comment. And my friend, there will be losing day also, and there will be profitable day also. As you can see in this month also, we have several losses day. We have losses day on 6 Jan, that is 3950. We have a consecutive losses day, in fact, on 7 Jan. 6 Jan and 7 Jan both was losing day, but loss and profit is part of the game. You have to focus on the mathematics of the game. When you are losing, uh, how much you are losing. When you are gaining, how much you are gaining. How many times you are losing, how many times you are winning. If this ratio is in line, then you should continue with this strategy. As I mentioned, that this month we have a very good trading so far, and we have able to clock around 44,075. The entire trade is available for you, and you can audit it, you can check it using that Excel. That is the beauty. The power is in your hand. I also mentioned the 2020 result. What was the 2020 result? You will find all the month-wise result. That is also auditable, and you can check, and you can download this PDF book that help you. Yeah, and I said it's 60-minute expert guide. Less than 60 minutes, you will able to start trading and learning. Everything is done. So thank you so much for your time today. I will update you time to time about what is going on with this, and hopefully you like it, and I appreciate your time. Thank you so much for giving your time, and happy Republic Day. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye.